Do you want to incorporate design as a part of your localization process? Test your design's compatibility with new languages with the Localization plugin by Localazy. Find the plugin in the Figma community section, install it, connect it to any of your Localazy projects, and you are good to go. Using the plugin could not be easier. Select Nodes for upload and hit the right button. Your texts will be available in Localazy right away. Now you can translate everything into any language you want with the help of all the Localazy features. Do you want to test your designs in other languages? Open the Download tab to select the desired language. Click the Download button, and let the magic happen. Translations from Localazy are instantly applied to your designs. Try the Localization plugin for Figma today and translate your content at design phase.